Johnny, from tomorrow, you will report your full day to me.
What do you mean, Dad?
You must explain every action, from waking up to going to bed. Speak clearly. Use full sentences.
Okay, Dad. I will describe everything.
Good. Start from tomorrow morning.
The alarm is ringing. Now I am opening my eyes. I am waking up from my bed. Now I am sitting on my bed. I am getting down from the bed. Now I am making my bed. I am arranging the pillow. I am spreading the bedsheet neatly. Now I am going to brush my teeth. I am going to the bathroom. Now I am taking my toothbrush. I am taking the toothpaste. Now I am opening the toothpaste cap. I am pressing the toothpaste tube. I am putting the paste on the brush. Now I am brushing my teeth. I am moving the brush up and down. I am cleaning my teeth properly. Now I am rinsing my mouth with water. I am washing my toothbrush. Now I am going to the kitchen. I am taking a glass. I am pouring water into the glass. Now I am drinking the water. Now I am going to the yard. I am picking up the watering can. Now I am pouring water on the plants. I am watering each plant slowly. Now I am starting my exercise. I am stretching my arms. I am bending my body. Now I am doing jumping exercises. I am breathing in and out. Now I am going to make my breakfast. I am taking bread and eggs. I am turning on the stove. Now I am cooking my food. I am preparing my breakfast. Now I am sitting at the table. I am eating my breakfast. I am chewing my food slowly. Now I am going to my reading room. I am sitting on the chair. I am opening my book. I am reading my lesson. Now I am writing in my notebook. Now I am getting ready for school. I am wearing my uniform. I am combing my hair. I am packing my school bag. Now I am standing outside. I am waiting for the school bus. Now I am in my classroom. I am listening to my teacher. I am answering questions. Now I am coming back home. I am opening the door. Now I am changing my clothes. I am washing my hands and face. Now I am sitting at my table. I am opening my books. I am doing my homework. I am writing carefully. Now I am going outside. I am playing with my friends. Now I am sitting with my family. I am eating my dinner. Dad, now I will tell you about my day. I woke up and made my bed. I brushed my teeth and drank water. I watered the plants and exercised. I made my breakfast and ate it. I studied and went to school. I came back home and did my homework. I played, had dinner, and got ready for bed.
Excellent, Johnny. This is exactly what I wanted.